brother Ryan hope you have a really fabulous time and enjoy your second birthday. Rose, you're in the night garden with Iggle Piggle and Upsy Daisy, and your mummy, daddy and sister Haya all hope you have a really wonderful first birthday. Keep on sending your lovely cards in nice and early to the usual CBeebies address, and if it is your birthday today, have a really magical day.
Yoko! Jakamoko Toto!
Yoko! Yoko!
Yoko! Toto! Yoko! Toto!
Jakamoko!
Yoko! Jakamoko Toto!
Yoko! Jakamoko Toto!
Yoko! Jakamoko Toto!
Yoko!
Jakamoko
CBeebies, CBeebies. I love CBeebies.
Guess who?
They're sisters. No, brother and sister. And she lives in a flat. They have adventures.
They like exploring.
Drinks pink milk berry
strawberry
milkshake.
And I drink pink milk.
She blows bubbles through the straw.
I like playing with Marv. And Diddles. And playing football.
There's a wee doggy and it's Marv's dog and his called Cecil and he eats sausages. I know, he's a sausage dog.
And she also likes playing with her friends.
She plays with her best friend Lotta and they go to the same school. And he has an invisible friend called Lauren Lawrence.
I make heart friend. I had of that one.
He only comes out when she ain't got no friends. She uses big words like extremely. Triangular.
Summer is coming to CBeebies. Brilliant! And we're getting ready for a super summer adventure.
It's showtime.
I know a great place to go. Come on. Woohoo! This is exciting.
It's delicious.
We're all coming along. And you're invited too.
Come on, Easy Cool.
So get set for a super summer on CBeebies.
Look at this colourful mobile which we are making for Charlie. Now, we made one for Lola yesterday and we put a rainbow on it. Today, we're going to add a rocket.
That's right, because Charlie loves rockets, and so do we, don't we, Sid?
Yes, we do.
Here's a rocket that Sid's drawn. I think it looks fantastic.
Thank you very much.
I have stuck it onto a piece of card to make it a little bit stronger, and then I cut it out, and now I'm colouring it in red. And if you'd like to make your very own mobile, why don't you draw some pictures of some of your favourite things, stick them onto some card to make them a little bit stronger, and then ask a grown-up to help you cut them out.
Now, when